In this video, I want to share with you 3 trending niches and 1 evergreen niche for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those trending niches, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So today is Friday, January 3rd. It is 6:11 a.m. in the morning and sitting at 0 sales. But yesterday, let me turn the brightness up, ended up doing, click on that, did 37 sales and $38 in royalties, 1 return. That's going to put me at $60 for the month. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics. I also post these videos, these YouTube videos that I make as reels as well. And I'm also on TikTok, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok so that I can post my Linktree account in there. So if you're interested in that, check it out. But now that we got the intro out the way, let's go ahead and get into the content. So I got 3 trending niches for you. The first one is going to be a 100 days back to school, and that one is right here. It is I've loved my class for 100 days of school, and this is kind of like taking Valentine's Day and cross niching it with 100 days of school. Now, the next big holiday is basically going to be this 100 days of school. Basically, it's when kids or schools or teachers celebrate being in class for 100 days. They didn't do this when I was a kid back in high school or when I was a kid growing up. But you can see like kind of something like this right here, where you take I've loved class for 100 days of school and you cross niche it with Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is the next big niche or holiday that is coming up. And a really good kind of pro tip or ninja tip is if you can take like something that is trending and you can cross niche it with like an upcoming holiday. That's a really clever way to get some sales. Here's kind of more of an idea what I'm talking. So like designs kind of like this, where you have like lots of hearts, where it's more like a Valentine's Day theme. So kind of something like this. I love my class for 100 days of school. A lot of them are using these jars with the hearts. And if we just take a look at the competition, like if we go to, what's it called? Merch Dominator right here. And if you type that into Merch Dominator, one thing that you can do that I like with Merch Dominator is that you can search by merch by Amazon just shirts or Amazon shirts. And there's a difference. A lot of times people comment on my videos saying, oh, that niche is way too competitive. It has like 4,000 results. But that's because those people are searching all of Amazon's clothing products. So, you know, fulfillment by merch, FBA, and merch by Amazon. So if you just do merch by Amazon search, if we just wait for Productor to pop up, we're going to see it's under 500. So right here, we're going to see only 461 merch by Amazon shirts. Merch by Amazon shirts come with Prime benefits, free shipping, free returns. And so here are what some of them look like. And if we take a look at some of these, there's actually some that were just recently uploaded. So this one right here, a week ago, December 27, 2024. It's not really the Valentine's Day kind of theme like I was talking about, but we can see it was just recently uploaded and getting sales. I think there was another one that I saw that was also recently uploaded. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, so December 10th right here. So this one, I've loved my class for 100 days of school. So that's the first one. And I actually made a design for this niche on my Creative Fabrica shop. So this one right here, I made this using IDEOGRAM. Links for IDEOGRAM and Creative Fabrica are all in the description. So that's the first one. Actually, let's just go there real quick. If you go to my YouTube, or if you click on the description in this YouTube video, you can see right here, I have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica yearly access. Or if you just want to go to my shop and check out my designs, you can go there just by clicking on that link. All right, so that is the first niche that I have for you, and it is this one right here. I've loved my class for 100 days of school, and we're cross-niching it with Valentine's Day. And then the next trending niche that I have for you is another Valentine's Day one. And this one we're taking cats and we're cross-niching it with Valentine's Day. And it is this phrase right here that says Happy Meowentine's Day. So it's kind of like a play on words. You know, there's a lot of phrases where you can do a play on words with meow. You know, so meow is a noise that cats make. So instead of saying Happy Valentine's Day, it's Happy Meowentine's Day. And when we take a look at this niche, take a look at the sales or the designs and the competition. First, we're going to see that it's under 500 results for merch by Amazon designs. And here what some of the designs look like. And if we look at this one right here, like this one was actually just uploaded last month. So very recently. Now it doesn't say Happy Valentine's Day on the actual design. This is actually a really good design. Maybe you can make something similar on AI, but we can see like this one was just recently uploaded. This one also was just recently uploaded as well, just about a week ago, already getting sales. But I'm talking about kind of maybe doing something kind of like this right here, where you have the text "Happy Valentine's Day" with a cute cat and some hearts. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Kind of give you an idea. So it's kind of something like this right here. You know, we have two, like the boy and the girl. Another one where two cats kind of cuddling, so something kind of like this right here. And I did make a couple designs for this on my Creative Fabrica shop, so kind of something like this. I made these with AI on IDEOGRAM. And then this one I think turned out really nice, cute little cat right here with the pink hearts with a little bow tie. Happy Valentine's Day. So that is going to be the second trending niche I have for you. It's Happy Valentine's Day, low in competition. And anytime you can take cats and you can cross niche it with an upcoming holiday or any niche, you know, it's probably going to do pretty well, especially since this is so low in competition. Usually the cat niche is just like way oversaturated, at least in my experience. But that is going to be the second niche that I have for you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the third one. And then the next trending niche that I have for you is kind of just like a random one that I found on Flying Research. So if you come here to Flying Research and you click on, let me get my face out the way here. If you click on Seller Trends, it's going to show you all of the recently trending niches for merch. And what I like to do here is I just like to come and I like to look for repetition, duplicates. And there's one that I saw that was duplicating or repeating itself, and it was this one right here. Let's see if I can find it. This one right here, the Bible recap finisher. Now I do not know why this is trending. I did a Google search on it. I couldn't really find anything, so I think it should be safe. I always say in these videos that you always want to like check the niche first, do a Google search to see why it is trending. But from my research, you know, I couldn't really find anything that would make me like to think that it's not safe. But what I like to do here when I find like my workflow, once I find one, what I will do is I would open it up, and then I just want to know how much competition there is, and just do a little more research on the niche. So I'll copy and paste that, and then I'll come into Merch Dominator, and I just like to copy and paste that here. Sometimes I'll do featured, or sometimes I'll do newest, just depending, or both. This time I'm just going to do featured, then I'm going to click on Merch by Amazon search, and we're going to see 223 results. Let's see if that matches with Productor. Yes, so only 223 results. And check out these BSRs. They're all kind of like the same, the design, but the BSRs, 97, 145, 378, 231. Those are really good BSRs. And pretty good prices too, like 19, 17, 18. And the next row is basically the same thing, all really low BSRs. Now I was thinking that maybe this is just like a Christmas niche, so it was just selling because of, you know, the birth of Jesus on the 25th. But then I saw this one. This was uploaded after Christmas, December 30th, 2024, and it's getting sales. So I don't know, maybe someone can educate me and let me know why this niche is trending and why it's doing so well. But this possibly could be a good one for us. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, I did make a design for this one right here. So the Bible recap finisher, 365 days. So maybe some potential there. That is going to be the third trending niche I have for you. And now I want to share with you an evergreen niche, because I think it's important to have a Merch by Amazon portfolio that has trending niches and also evergreen niches. It seems like people actually like the evergreen niches more. And this is it right here. So it is Yes Officer. I saw the speed limit. I just didn't see you. And if we go ahead and take a look at that, let me go ahead and copy and paste this just so it saves some time. Let me get my face up. Oh, there we go. So Yes Officer, I saw the speed limit, and we're going to go over here to Merch Dominator, and let's copy and paste that. Merch by Amazon search, and this was another one that I saw that was really low in competition and had some really good BSRs. So we're going to see only 178 results for this phrase right here. And the BSRs are kicking butt. Just gotta wait for my slow internet to pick up. Okay, so there we go. So 628, 404. You know, these evergreen niches are great because, you know, the trending niches after a couple weeks they kind of just go away, but the evergreen niches are always around. These will get you those sales on those slow days. So this is the type of designs right here. BSRs are really good. And basically, I believe this is more for like people that are into like racing cars. So you're going to see a lot of like racer keywords in the title and the bullet points. A lot of them are using like the speedometer. All right, so that is the evergreen niche I have for you. And again, I did make a design for this on my Creative Fabrica shop using IDEOGRAM. All right, and if you want to sign up for IDEOGRAM, I do have an affiliate link in the description. And if you sign up using my, let me just show you, like if we go to my IDEOGRAM, this is actually a cover that I was making for one of my horror stories, because I also self-publish ebooks on Amazon. But if we go right here and click on affiliate program, so right here, if the person you invite with your affiliate link purchases a qualifying subscription, then they will receive a one-time bonus of 100 priority prompts. That's above and beyond what you just normally would get. So check that out if you're interested. Now let's go ahead and go over some of the resources that I recommend that you get for Merch by Amazon. So the first one is going to be, well, I just showed you IDEOGRAM, but I also have a bunch of AI prompts. So if you're into prompts, first I would just highly recommend that you learn how to design with AI. It's super easy. You can just take like a screenshot and just, let me just show you real quick. I mean, it's so easy. So let's go like this. I'm just going to, actually let's go to, we could just use this one right here. So go something like this. When you have the new Macs, you can just take a screenshot like this, come to IDEOGRAM. Let's see what we got here. Let's go desktop. Then you just hit describe, and this is where the magic is at. Like if I had this when I first started, it'll just describe it and it comes up with a prompt for you right there, and then all you have to do is click design. Actually, I like to have it on 3.4 and then go generate. And you can get a design just like this once it loads. Sorry, the internet's a little slower down here in Mexico. And look at this. I mean, honestly, these designs I think are better than what I'm taking the screenshot of. I mean, look at this. And then you can just kind of, look at that, scroll through here. And then someone commented the other day about my process of what I do. Then I will go like upscale. I'll upscale it. And then once I upscale it, I will go ahead and I will pop it into this website right here. Now you do have to pay for this. I'm trying to get an affiliate link for these guys, but they're just kind of lagging. But you just upload the image into there. So if you could just bear with me here, I'll show you my process because someone commented the other day, so hopefully they're watching. Save image as. Come over here. Go to documents. And it's going to upscale. And then what I will do is I'll go ahead and I'll pop it into Photoshop, and I'll just delete the background. And I might have to pause the video because if I show you my Photoshop, there might be something I don't want to show. So let me pause the video real quick. Okay, and then once you've downloaded the image from the upscale website, excuse me, then you just pop it into Photoshop, click the eraser button. Oh, what the heck's going on here? Click the eraser button. Let me do it. Boom, there we go. And then you just gotta kind of like clean it up a little bit. So get rid of these like black spots. Clean this up right here. And then you got a nice design that you can just upload onto Merch by Amazon. So this is why I highly recommend that you have IDEOGRAM. Now let me go ahead and share with you some other resources that I use. So I also have prompts. So if you just want to buy prompts, I have 100 prompts for March, 30 prompts for 100 days of school. I got 30 St. Patrick's Day prompts, 30 Mardi Gras prompts, 30 Valentine's Day prompts, 500 evergreen prompts. I got a whole bunch of prompts here, and I also have ones for February and January. So like right here, we're going to see February and January. So if you're interested, you can click on that link right here, buy AI prompts, and it will take you to this page. And what you can do, like if you want like these 100 February prompts, you can click on it, and if you copy and paste this YouTube link right here, you'll be able to see one of my videos that shows you what all the prompts and the designs look like. All right. Let's see what else. We got Merch Dominator. That's for research. Affiliate link, Flying Research. I like Flying Research better than Merch Dominator, but I also like Merch Dominator a lot because of this feature right here, the product search, and which is actually free. So you can try it out first, it looks like, and then if you like it, you can sign up and then get like all these other popular tabs right there. And let's see, what else do we have here? I also have a Merch by Amazon course on Gumroad. So this is for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I would highly recommend that you check out this course. It's only 25 bucks. I give you a lot of good tips on to like kind of like guide you on how you should be doing or running your Merch by Amazon business to get you sales. And then we also got, we'll create a Fabrica shop, pretty merch, and then these ones are for Etsy. So if you're doing Etsy, you have to have Everbee. That's like mandatory. And then Printful, this is who I use to fulfill all my orders on Etsy. All right. So that is going to be it for today's video. Again, these are the niches right here. Oh, whoops. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'm responding to all my comments now, so I will be in touch with you guys. But hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will have a video out tomorrow. I got 25 video game prompts that I just made, so I'll be making a video on that. But then the next trending niche video will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's when I'm doing these trending niche videos. All right, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for being a subscriber, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.